Here is another unpacking video. This is the lens I purchased at the end of August. This is part of my Zeiss Batis repurchasing process. Actually, I've never owned this Zeiss Batis 40mm, and I found, in my opinion, at quite good price. Actually, this lens is still quite expensive. This is the last Zeiss Batis lens in the Zeiss Batis series. So this is the 40mm, which is the last in the Zeiss Batis series, and maybe this is the reason this lens holds quite expensive, but still today I was able to buy it for I wouldn't say cheap, but it's much less expensive than like new. So the seller was from Romania, Catalin Matasaru, and he was very positive and gave a fantastic help, and was keeping an eye on the whole shipping process. So this is my unpacking process, unpacking video, and see what I've received from Romania. The packaging seems to be completely fine. Yes, this is what I expected. A lens in a... Yes, the packaging was totally fine. Absolutely happy with what Catalin did. I almost always buy lenses with original packaging. It's very rare when when I have the option, I always pick a lens with the original packaging, because this always gives an information about the care, the level of the care of the seller. Okay, see what's inside. And this is the typical Batis packaging, and the lens. This is about the same size as the 50mm. Looks excellent. Practically this lens looks like new. Again, this Batis has 64mm filter thread. Just, I think, almost all Batis lenses except the 18mm has this filter thread. Yes, this seems to be a perfect lens. Yeah, unfortunately the Batis lens hoods are plastic. It is a very quite high quality plastic, but not metal. So for this price I would expect I think the Loxia lenses from Zeiss, they have a metal hood, but this Batis, the barrel, the body of the lens is metal, but the hood is plastic. And what I love with the Zeiss Batis lenses is this tulip form, tulip shape. This is really exceptional and a joy to watch, and that was a main reason, because there are so many excellent and fantastic lenses. So how to differentiate between them, which one to pick? Sigma lenses, also Sony lenses, all are fantastic. Even Samyang or other Tamron lenses, so you can start collecting these lenses. So I prefer collecting lenses for a specific brand, and I picked Zeiss firstly because they have a big name, and their rendering characteristics are fantastic. All of their lenses, especially these Batis lenses and other lenses which I used, I used to have two other Batis lenses, the 25mm and the 85mm. I repurchased a couple of days ago the 25mm, so this is my second Zeiss Batis which I currently own. This is the 40mm, and so the lens performance characteristics is one of the reasons. Actually, this rubber ring seems to be perfectly clean, and I have no issues and problem with this rubber ring. And the shape, this is then again a big factor to me. So I love having good looking, stylish, nicely designed lenses, and Zeiss Batis, in my opinion, line lenses are absolutely perfect.